To fix a dishwasher that won't drain completely, start by disconnecting it from power and clearing out all dishes and any remaining water. Next, access the filter, drain pump, and garbage disposal to examine their condition, as these elements tend to accumulate dirt from food bits that can prevent water from draining. Clean any dirt found in these components. Then test the dishwasher to see if it will drain fully. If it still fails, investigate the drain hose and sink air gap for clogs and clean them as needed. After retesting the dishwasher, if the issue persists, it may be necessary to contact a technician to further diagnose and resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a dishwasher that won't drain completely. And the process is relatively simple.